Hi! I'm going to show you how to make a little bead dragonfly today. First, gather all of your materials and cut out the paper wing template. Trace the wing template onto the felt. Next, cut out the wings. Now it's time to assemble the dragonfly. First, prepare all the pieces. Cut the knotting cord to be 16 inches and fold the pipe cleaner in half so it has a fold in the center. We have 5 wooden beads, 2 small, 1 medium, 1 large, and 1 oval, and 1 colored silicone bead. Start by threading 1 small wooden bead onto the cord and then center it. Fold the cord up around both sides and hold the 2 cut ends of the cord together as one. Then thread on the colored silicone bead, the other small wooden bead, the oval bead, the medium wooden bead, and finally the large wooden bead. Wrap the thread around the center fold in the pipe cleaner. And then re-thread the cut ends back through the top bead, from top to bottom. Pull the thread down, but don't pull it too tight. Now, wrap the cords around the center of the wings and re-thread the cut ends of the cord back through the top bead, but this time you're going to go from bottom to top. So make sure you're catching both ends of cord as you pull it through the top. And now it's time to tighten the dragonfly. To do this, you're going to pull on the loop of the cord at the back of the wings, and then pull on the top 2 cords. And you're going to go back and forth like this, pulling the loop on the back of the wings, then pulling the top. Back and forth, back and forth. As you do this, the top fold of the antenna is going to get forced down into the top of the bead. So just keep doing this back and forth. I know it looks fiddly, but when you're doing it, it makes a lot of sense. And then you have a very nice dragonfly. So now you tie the 2 cut ends of the cord together with an overhand knot at the top. Make sure that there's at least 2.5 inches of space in between the knot and the top of the dragonfly's head, and that'll give you enough room to loop the body through later if you want to use it as a zipper pull. If you want to draw a face on your dragonfly, you can use a graphite pencil and a pink colored pencil. And we just drew a little face, 2 eyes, a smiling mouth, and then the pink pencil for the rosy cheeks. And now this dragonfly is all done.